The National Resident Matching Program strives to maintain a fair and transparent process for all match participants. The match participation agreements that govern NRMP matches contain important policies and specify the steps participants must take to comply with those policies. Noncompliance, whether intentional or not, could result in an investigation and sanctions. This video, one of 3 in the Applicant Policy Pitfalls series, covers common mistakes applicants make during the Supplemental Offer and Acceptance Program or SOAP process for the main residency match. Other videos in the series cover mistakes that occur during the application, interview, and matching processes. Let's review applicant mistakes that occur during SOAP. An unmatched applicant contacts or applies to an unfilled SOAP participating program outside of the application service or process designated by the program. An unmatched applicant requests an individual to contact an unfilled program on his or her behalf before the program initiates contact. Consider these examples. On Monday morning of match week, the director of the Family Medicine Program at Utopia Medical Center informed the NRMP that Ms. Dominique Davis, a SOAP-eligible applicant, had emailed the program with her application to express interest in an unfilled position and request an interview. The program had made clear at the start of recruitment that they would only accept applications through a web-based application service. The Match Participation Agreement for applicants and programs prohibits unmatched applicants from applying for unfilled positions outside of the program designated application process and before the designated time on Monday of match week. Ms. Davis should have applied to the Family Medicine Program Director using the appropriate application service or process as mandated by the program. Mr. Andy Fitzsimmons, a SOAP-eligible applicant, asked his medical school advisor to talk with the Pediatrics Program Director at Union Memorial during SOAP about one of the program's unfilled positions. The Pediatrics Program Director had not yet contacted Mr. Fitzsimmons about his application. SOAP policy in the Match Participation Agreement for applicants prohibits unmatched applicants or individuals or entities acting on behalf of unmatched applicants from initiating contact prior to directors of unfilled programs initiating contact, regardless of the individual's role in an institution or school. Mr. Fitzsimmons should have waited for the Pediatrics Program Director to contact him before asking his advisor to recommend him for an unfilled position. The NRMP's violations policy is incorporated by reference in the match agreements and contains detailed information about the investigative process. For applicants found in violation of SOAP, sanctions levied by the NRMP can include being identified as a match violator in the registration, ranking, and results or R3 system for 1 year, and being barred from participating in SOAP in the following year's match. The NRMP is authorized to levy additional sanctions when appropriate, including barring applicants from participation in future NRMP matches for repeatedly violating SOAP policies. Applicants can dispute the NRMP's findings of a violation through arbitration. To avoid these pitfalls, read the Match Participation Agreement for applicants and the violations policy, so you understand your rights and responsibilities. Visit the NRMP website to find policies and other related resources. Applicants also can contact the NRMP at policy@nrmp.org with questions. Also, be sure to view the other videos in the Pitfalls series, along with the policy highlights for applicants video.